Today, kindergartners, we are making a goofy pumpkin collage. So you can see some of my examples here. There's another little guy. That one, he's missing part of his eye. And this one. So we're going to get started. And if we're making a pumpkin, we probably want it to be an oval. So we have a tall orange piece of paper. And we're just going to start to kind of trim the edges off to make it a big oval. So I'm going to just kind of cut those edges off. Look at that, I'm making some kind of like triangle shapes now. Okay, then once we get that cut, we need to glue it onto our background, our other piece of paper. It's kind of a goofy shape there. So I'm going to take this piece of paper and my pumpkin, and I'm going to use my glue stick. Now when I use my glue stick, I'm going to pop that lid off, and I'm going to twist it up just until I can kind of see it peeking out over the top. I don't need it twisted up all the way like this. I might break my glue stick. We're going to spin it down, and I just put the glue around the outside edge. We don't need to put it all over the place. That is too much glue. So I'm going to flip it, I'm going to stick it, I'm going to massage the back of it. We're going to hold it down for 10 seconds like always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now I'm ready to work on the mouth. So for the mouth, I should have a black piece of paper that looks kind of like this. And I want to kind of think about, okay, what are some of the shapes that I have made or used before? Maybe you can identify this one. So I'm going to cut it kind of diagonally a bit like this, and then maybe bring it back up like that. And what shape do I have? It has 3 points, 3 sides, a triangle. Yep, so I can glue that on next. So again, just gluing around the edge, flip it over, stick it on, and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now let's see, maybe I should add some teeth. So I'm going to cut a long strip off of my white piece of paper here. And if I cut some more strips like this, I should start to get some teeth. And I have a small mouth here, so I might not need very many. Maybe I'm going to cut those in half again. Ooh, I like that. I've got some smaller rectangles, or maybe even some squares now. And then same thing, I can take my glue stick, set that on there, and then push those down and glue them on. Do that again. I kind of like how all of the teeth are different sizes a little bit. It looks kind of goofy. Maybe I even have some teeth missing, like some of you guys. You're starting to lose your teeth. Alright, so I think I'll just do 3 teeth on there for now. We'll leave it like that. The next thing I can do are my pumpkin's eyes. So I might take that piece of paper, and what shape are eyes? Oh! They're circles, right? Or ovals, I suppose. But maybe I'm going to work on cutting those out. And the fun thing with our silly pumpkins here is that they don't have to be the same size. So there's one. Maybe that one's nice and big. Let's see, maybe I'm going to make this one even smaller. Oh, just kidding, it might be even bigger. Yeah, I think this one's going to be bigger. Ooh, they're kind of similar, kind of about the same size. Glue around the outside. Hold it for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, that was fast. And then same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can use my scraps of black, and it kind of looks creepy with just the white. So I'm going to add some smaller circles inside there for the pupils. That's the part of our eyes that helps us actually see. So I'm going to maybe do this, glue it, flip it, and stick it. And maybe you want to be goofy. Maybe your pupils are going to be different shapes. Like maybe they're going to be squares or triangles. or stars. Oh my gosh, that sounds really difficult. But there we go. Stick that on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe you want to add a nose next. Maybe you've got some other scraps of paper here. Maybe you're going to add your stem. I'm going to add a stem to my pumpkin. Maybe you even want to add a little leaf. We get to have some fun with these guys today. So there's my little stem. And I think I'll do a leaf. Why not? Got it. All right. And we should have some goofy pumpkins when we're done. Beautiful. All right. There you go. Have some fun. Be creative.